Hi, Erin with Exavault here. Today we're answering, what is FTP? Get ready to become a subject matter expert as we dive into FTP. We'll start with a technical overview that will demystify FTP for you. Then we'll walk through business use cases to show you how FTP can be vital for many business workflow operations. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, which is a network transmission standard that uses TCP. FTP allows files or data to transfer between two computers over an internet connection. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is what makes FTP reliable, checking and ensuring that your data actually arrives at its destination. An FTP server and FTP client relationship uses the File Transfer Protocol to facilitate communications. The FTP client sends a signal to the FTP server via the control channel, which is used to authenticate the client and to facilitate FTP commands. The FTP server then accepts or denies access and lets the FTP client initiate its upload or download on the data channel, so the control channel can remain open for browsing file listings. An FTP client is software you use to manage your interactions with an FTP server. The FTP client will translate your interactions into commands that are sent to the FTP server. File transfer wasn't always this easy. Before drag and drop or FTP clients, FTP actually began by typing commands into a terminal window, which can still be done today. There are a lot of commands you can learn that are powerful, but most likely you'll use an FTP client and never have to type any commands at all. Let's look at why businesses use FTP and why it can be vital to a successful business operation. Some businesses use FTP for critical operations, such as files that need to be exchanged on a routine basis. FTP is perfect for large file uploads and bulk file transfers that are otherwise impossible with email and some popular file sharing programs. Another benefit for business is that FTP is the quickest and easiest way to transfer files and images. FTP comes in handy when sharing files with employees, clients, and customers all around the world. For other businesses, FTP for file transfer may be required by the industry or governing agency. And finally, businesses benefit with secure file storage on an FTP server that IT departments can rely on. How does FTP translate to the real world? Engineers, architects, project managers, and contractors that work with large files use FTP for smooth and simple file transfer between many stakeholders. FTP also helps with granular permissions to meet core requirements of compliance between accountants, bookkeepers, CPAs, CFOs, and a variety of business owners. There are unlimited uses, which is what makes FTP so versatile and powerful. Thanks for watching our video about FTP. Subscribe, like, and share if you found it useful. You can find more great information on our blog. Go to www.exavault.com/blog. Are you ready to get started with FTP for your business? Go to exavault.com and start your free trial today.